My dear students, a very good noon to all of you. Actually, I'm here today to say something very important for you, and that is you should practice every day. If you want to learn English, you have to practice. You have to practice for pronunciation. You have to practice for speaking English, and you have to learn correct grammar so that you can speak correctly without any mistake. So for that, you have to practice continuously. Don't waste your time. Every single hour, every single minute, you should practice. You should work hard to improve yourself. And by this way, you will see you have improvement. But you see your improvement by little and little, but one day it will be a big improvement to you. So you should focus on grammar every day, because grammar will help you to speak or to write anything correctly without any mistakes. So you have to focus on grammar also, and you should increase your vocabulary storage. You know a lot of vocab in your mind, but if you don't use this in your daily spoken language or in your writings, you see, when you're gonna speak with someone, this word do not come to your mind, do not come to your mouth. You know that all in your head, all in your mind, but if you don't use this in your daily life, in your speaking, in your writing, and you see, you cannot use this when you need. So you have to practice, you have to speak with your partner. If you don't get any partner, don't worry, you can speak with yourself. Suppose like I'm talking now, I will speak with myself. I'm giving some suggestion to you. I think you are here, you are in front of me, and I'm talking to you. And like that way, you can speak with yourself. And by that way, you will get the improvement. Otherwise, your time is wasting. You're losing your time. But you have a dream. You wanna speak. If you wanna learn English, but if you don't practice, you will never get improvement. And if you only learn English for your exam, you see, this will not help you in your life. You will not get anything from this. After your exam, you will forget everything. So you should practice, you should learn for using this language. This is a language, not a subject. So you should learn this language from the very beginning, from by using this language. Any other subject like math and other subject, you can learn this by technique, or you can practice this in other way. But this English is a language, totally it's a language. You learn Bangla language by speaking, by listening, by writing, and you have to learn English language by this way. You have to listen every day, you have to practice with yourself, you have to speak with yourself or your friend in the classroom or outside the classroom. When you are gossiping with your friend, you can practice English with him. And or you can read books, and by reading books you will get a lot of improvement. So all these things will help you a lot in your journey, spoken journey. So follow the rules and practice every day, and focus on your improvement. Best of luck.